Hey everyone, welcome back to Pro Data Analytics. Today I am going to show you a super useful technique how to create a target chart using stacked bar chart in Power BI. It's simple, powerful and really helps you show how actuals are performing against targets. First, why do we need a target chart? Well, businesses often want to track actual sales versus target sales or actual revenue versus goal revenue. A target chart visually shows if we are hitting, missing or exceeding our goals at glance. So as you can see here, I have created a target chart using stacked bar chart. So let's create this. So I will take a stacked bar chart. So let's add y-axis and x-axis values. So I want to see a total sales by the top 10 locations. So let's add locations. So I have order location column and the total sales. Okay. So now I want to see a top 10 locations. So let's filter this out. Locations, basic filtering, top 10. So it will be top 10 by value, that is total sales. So what are the top 10 performing locations are giving a top sales. So let's turn on the data label and turn on this x-axis values. That's don't need. We are turning on the data labels. So let's keep it position outside the end. Let's make it color will be a black Sego UI semi bold. Okay. So let's reduce the width of this bars. So the width will be, let's go to bars. Categories will be all. So layout, space between categories, let's keep it 75. Okay, that is good. And let's give a border, visual border. Let's make it 10% darker. Rounded corners will be, let's give 7. Okay, this looks good. So now we need to compare with the target. So in this case, I'm taking a target as a previous month sales. So let's go to error bars. In the error bars, I have taken total sales. Let's enable this. So in the upper bound, we need to add a previous month sales. So that is as a target. So let me show you the sales previous months. So here you can see sales previous months dex. So I'm using a date add function minus 1 month. So shifts, it will shift the context by 1 month, and date with sales is equal to true. So I'm taking only the sales which have on the particular dates. Okay. So sales previous months, and this is a sales lower bound previous months. So as you can see, we are getting here targets. So let's increase the size of the marker. Let's keep it 5, and marker size will be 10, and the let's take color will be blue. Okay, that's good. Hmm. Okay, this is the targets we are getting here. So let's add a title. Total sales versus previous month sales. Let's make it Sega UI semi bold, and let's add a subtitle here by top 10 location. Okay. So now just we need to, let's give a conditional formatting to this bars. So for the conditional formatting, we need to go to the bars section. So here in bar section, we have a function fx button. So in the fx, so we have three options with the gradient, rules, and field value. So field value we can go with the DAX function. So I have created a DAX function. Let me show you that. A bar color. So as you can see, a bar color top 10 locations, and all selected function I used because we need to take the filter into context. So as you can see, with if the current sales are max, it will show green. If the current sales are minimum, it will show red, otherwise gray. So let's apply that field value bar color. So as you can see, top 10 locations with highlighting a top performing location and lower performing locations. And let's here I have taken a slicer, so let's change that. As you can see, it is working fine. Okay, so this is the target chart. We are comparing with the previous month sales, so you can use as any target if you have any targets to the for your sales, so you can add that sales via target as a target value. For in this case I have used the previous month sales for comparing. Okay, thank you so much for the watching.